Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to split Excel file into multiple workbook based on some column value. So suppose this is your data and I want to split my Excel or data Excel based on some column. Here in this example I want to split my data on based on column E. I go to my macro tab and run divide file macro. The macro is running. So at the local directory, it gives me the different workbook based on plant value. Suppose if I want to check what is the data for Georgia plant, I can click on Georgia and open this workbook. So only Georgia plant details data is present. Let me go to my Visual Basic and create one macro. So I will insert module. Okay. So first step is what are the unique values present in the filter data, or what are the unique values present in column E. For that I need to copy the whole column, paste in some sheet here in sheet 2, and then remove its duplicate to find the unique value. So I will start with finding the last row of this data. So row and go to my sheet 2. The whole E2 column is pasted on sheet to sheet. So now next step is to remove duplicate to find its unique value. So I write the command here, copy E column in sheet 2. Similarly find unique value. So if I run the macro again and go to my sheet 2, I receive only the unique values of column E. Okay, so to review all the steps, I have copy paste the column E or whatever the filter data you required. So I've copy paste the data column E, paste in sheet 2, and then remove its duplicate. Now next step is to use this value and build one dynamic autofilter. Okay, so filtering is working here. I just need to make this value as a dynamic value. For that I need to use looping condition here, loop here. For that I need to use loop here. Okay, now filter is applied and then auto filter is off. Now I need to make the criteria, apply the criteria and give some dynamic value here by using loop. So I will start for okay, so we should be I. Okay, let me okay, next I, and then Alabama, Georgia. So dynamic filtering is working here. Okay, okay, so now copy the filter data and paste in some workbook. Okay, so I will write command new workbook created with filter data. So I need to write workbook dot add and then save as with file name workbook. I'm copying the data from main workbook dot worksheet dot a1. So this is a filter data, so I need to specify a1 dot current reason dot copy, and at the next line I need to specify where I want to paste this data. So it should be active workbook dot worksheet sheet 1 dot a1 dot paste special. Okay, and then closing the active workbook. Workbook dot saving the workbook and then closing this workbook dot close, and save changes should be true. Okay, and then this should be continue. Okay, let me check if it's working or not. So I will start by debugging the macro. So okay, workbook is added here. You see workbook is added with name mini project. It should be underscore, so I will correct that. And then active workbook data is pasted. Okay, here one issue. Okay, and then one issue is this is pasting the data. Okay, so I need to specify sheet 1 here. So okay, and then here. Okay, also I need to give more clarity here. It should be the name should be with underscore, or I will write here underscore. Okay, so I will run this. Okay, so plant, if I write plant details, it should work. specify one thing also here. Whenever the macro started, you should select the main sheet. So worksheet sheet 1 dot select. Also, I don't like the screen updating and display alerts, so I will off that also. So application dot display alerts equal to false, and similarly application dot screen updating should be also false. Okay, and I will control C, and at the end I will just below next I will paste as true, change this value as true. Okay, I think everything is working fine. Let me delete the old file, okay, and run the macro again. Okay, so macro is running. Okay, at the end I will receive the plant details underscore the detail of that plant. Okay, so this is how we create macro to divide our data into multiple workbooks. We can also ask user to give the directory name or directory location where you want to store your workbook. So we can also ask this to by user. Thank you everyone. Thank you for your time.